Hello guys, sorry I haven't posted in a while, but today we're going to be playing some Bee Swarm. I do have a microphone now. Took a while though. Is it just me? Is it just me, or is this song just like, is like really good? Like, would you listen to this on repeat? Ah, dang it. Well, anyway. Let's go see. Okay, jumped! Oh, wait. That's how I just dodged. Oh. So, gumdrops, thank you very much. Probably gonna, I already claimed that. So I'm gonna end it when my honey canister gets full. Thank you for the ticket. So I'm not gonna take that long, but I'm just gonna do my quest right now. Ow! What? Ah! Alright, let's see. Rover Bear needs some repairs, I heard that. Yeah. Spider Field, that's what I need. It's gonna be unedited raw footage because I still don't know how to edit yet. I mean, you've seen some of my shorts. You know how bad I can be at editing. I mean, if you haven't, then go watch them. I've been playing this game for a while, but in general I don't play it that much because this is pretty boring. I mean, all you do is just pollinate stuff. Anyways. Thank you. Where's that one? All the way over here. I'd low-key listen to this. This is bussin'. I still don't know what that bee baby's for or something. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end this about when I probably get bored. So this could go on for like 30 minutes. It's gonna be unedited. I mean, until I learn how to, of course, edit. I could probably use that GoPro app, quick. Because I heard it has some pretty good editing. Yeah, Cobweb Sweeper 2. So, yeah, I'm gonna... Cobweb Sweeper 2. Talk to Black Bear. Yay! Finally finished that quest. About time. Nice job, make it look so easy, yeah. The request, kind of garbage. 11 more quests, diamond egg. Thanks, it's not quantitative moves. Yeah, I'm not gonna read all that. Yay! Okay, 27,000 from the pineapple field up there. Up here. Ooh, perfect time. These things. Got a bunch of stuff with these. Whoa, Deli! Got a bunch of stuff. not like that guy just got a sprout. I'm not gonna go over there because I need to complete these quests. Already did. Oh, bamboo field. Right there. I can complete these quests really easily because I don't really do Promise quests. Okay, we're done. That was quick. Thanks. Okay, 20,000. Bum. Okay, that's. Well, I'm already doing it, so. Got juked. Oh. Broke his ankles. Probably gonna be my most boring video yet. What do you think? Probably gonna use one of those honey converters or something. And yes, I do have those goggles on. I wonder how to get them too, but just look up how to get these weird goggles. Then you can see computer bear or glitch bear or computer bee early on over there. See, instead of you have to go all the way up there. Ooh, like this one has that's where we need to go, so that's perfect. So yeah, so a bunch of people are here anyway. Okay, brown bear's quests are really easy. Jeez. And we're done. First, I'm probably gonna do this, a little bit of that. You know what it is. And if you're wondering why he's named, I went Poopy. Don't ask about that. That's another story. Okay, it was pretty. That was easy. Okay, so collect 8 pollen from the cat. 8 pollen. Doesn't sound right. 8,800. Ooh, sticker. Yay! My pollen container's full. Actually, I've got this parachute. We can speed up. Or I could just, you know, spend the ticket. Good. Alright. I have 1,000,000 honey now. Pollen. Honey. Yeah, that's right. Yay. Is this mine? Yeah, I doubt it is. This is my, thing, by the way. There's a bunch. This thing. But, you know, it's kind of trash. I don't play this game. Yeah, it's my paper planner. Now I'm gonna just... I was too lazy to walk up there, so... And so I didn't really... Seems a little bit... Yeah, I just collected 8 pollen. By the way, I'm gonna kill this wolf. He's dead, haha. I got back the ticket. Bring me this. Get juked! Oh, get juked! Oh, get juked. Amazing. One of my quests is like get 8,000 honey tokens, and I'm like, what? What's this? Who's this? Buzz, 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 buzz. Yeah, okay. Add a sticker to the sticker stack. No. Yeah, no thanks. It seems a little bit expensive. I'm gonna try and get over there. I'm trying to do a bunch of side quests, so. Come on. Jump up here. Well, I said jump up there. Yes! Man, the things I do, just to get up here. Yeah, no, I don't think so. So Robo Bear needs... Okay. Alright. Open shop. Red drive. 25,000 honey. I had the oh. So... How do I get that? 777 honey. Yeah, it's gonna be quite hard to get. Diamond Sprout? Right now I'm just kinda exploring. I just want to jump up here. On a brown bear, at least. I guess I could've just got ooh, sunshine. Yay! Okay. Oh! Get it, get it, get it! The balloon that isn't mine. Okay. Cause it ain't going to me. Okay, what does Mother Bear want anyway? What does she need? Mother Bear's mid-turn. No. No. No and no. Man, there's like nothing I can really do. I mean, I guess I could get 100,000 red pollen. I'm just realizing that's a lot of red pollen. Why, of course it is, but still. I could. It's 300,000, never mind. Got juked. Ah. Well, while I'm here, I might as well just drop a couple of bone drops. Right. I don't even know what the gun toss to BH. What? Hold on. Probably gonna end it about here. See you next episode. Bye.